Echoes of Robert Lee Frost. A Journey Through the Ordinary. Listen to the story carefully. Story 46. The Vantage Point. I climbed the hill just before sunrise, breath misting in the cold morning air, boots slipping on dew-slick grass. From the top, the village lay spread beneath me. Roofs and roads tiny, fields patchwork in green and brown. I felt both small and vast, part of the world yet apart, seeing familiar paths from a new angle. Birds soared below the horizon and the wind carried scents of earth and distant smoke. I traced the lines of fences and streams, imagining lives unfolding, moments repeated, choices made and remade. Sitting on a rock, I realized that perspective is a gift. From above, troubles shrink, beauty expands, and the quiet order of life becomes visible. Evening approached. Colors shifting and I descended slowly, carrying the view in my chest, knowing that clarity often comes from stepping back, climbing higher and observing the whole world in one breath. Now listen to the poem. I climb the hill before sunrise, breath misting, cold air sighs. Village spreads in patchwork hue, paths and roofs appear anew. Small and vast, part and apart, birds soar low, wind fills heart. Fences, streams, lives unfold, choices made, stories told. Perspective gifts troubles small, beauty expands to encompass all. Colors shift as evening nears, view descends but memory clears. Clarity comes from higher ground, whole world seen, peace is found.